the first trend that I do think is going to start happening, which I like, and I'm sorry, I'm very service mesh, myopic in this world, but I think it's becoming a little bit more plumbing. For a long time, service mesh has had a lot of hype, and now I think it's going to start fading to the background. And I think that's great. I think it should, just like plumbing. We don't really think about it. It works. We rely on it every day, but it's not something we shouldn't be plumbing experts, right? We should be experts in the whatever our business does. So a lot of what we're doing at Buoyant is giving Linkerd adopters and platform owners the ability to run Linkerd without having to become Linkerd experts. Right now, there's all these wonderful stories about Linkerd. HEB, I live in Texas, so there's a grocery store that uses a Linkerd to power the curbside delivery and curbside and delivery of groceries for pandemic customers. Like, it's really empowering. But the way and we had a talk today from Entain Australia about how they 10x'd their throughput using Linkerd, like all these wonderful stories. But you have to be a Linkerd adopter. Sorry, of course you have to be a Linkerd adopter. You have to be a Linkerd expert to really get those gains. And so what I want to do with Buoyant, what we're starting to be able to do, is make that something where you don't have to be an expert. You can get the benefit without having to pay the cost and expertise. So that's one. I think that's the trend we'll continue to see, and certainly one that I'm actively trying to push.